Dive? Oh. I gotta steal my flip. Going in. Got me? Good.
Yeah.
Whoa, I barely came up. Alright, Marco!
Ready? Okay, let's hope I do it good this time.
Oh, man.
Well, at least you landed on your butt.
I can't. Oh.
Why can't we flip?
Yuck, flip.
All right, one more jump because the food's coming.
Okay, here we go. Yeah.
How was that?
Good.
That was beautiful.
Must do rules. This is what my dad taught me.
That was pretty, that was pretty. It was? That was pretty. Good. That was amazing.
He's gonna try to do a flip. Again.
Piece of bonus sauce. Do or die, Marco. Dive.
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 No, no dive.
Dive!
Last time I did dive, I busted my ass.
Swim!
That's right, Nick.
It actually busted your stomach.
Yeah, that's right too.
Come on, Liz.
Go!
Ah!
So